Hey everyone, I know it has been a minute, but we are back on the road for a short time. We are going to go up to River Rock for a quick off-roading trip, little shakedown before we go up to Tennessee later this month. We're a little bit squatted. Coffee has been acquired. Excellent weekend of done. We are getting back on the road pretty early. We woke up this morning around 6 to winter storm warning. So packed up, got on the road. Now we're about 3.5 hours from home, still in Georgia. It's snowing. It's absolutely freezing.